check this out. So I went ahead and broke up the concrete, got that, dug that out, leveled it off. Look how nice and straight that is, everybody. That is perfect. Move these brackets in a little bit. Bam. Walkway acquired. Handle right there. Bring it right back. Lock that one in. Lock that one in. Now it is still a little tight right there, but because it's level now, that thing is perfectly tight and it looks great. There it is. This is a retractable partitioning gate, and what I'm going to do for you all in this video is I'm going to do a quick little install and show you everything you get with it. It looks like you just screw these two back ones in and screw in some kind of brackets right here, and you are good to go. So right here's where I'm going to put it. I'm going to run it from this pole right here, or maybe, yeah, I guess I'll go from this pole right here, and I'm going to be able to stretch it across right here. Now I have this privacy fence right here, but this area right here has been open. So let's go over what we get in the box here. So this is the box mine came in right here. It's basically suitable for like outdoor patios and maybe areas like this in between. That area right there is maybe 5 foot. And here's the instructions. You get a little set of hardware with it. Here's the unit. It just goes like that. I'll go over more once I kind of like put it together. So this is the standard one. It's got the reinforcement. This is lockable, so you can lock this thing. And it looks like all you do is screw this down. Let's get these brackets screwed down, and let's get this thing put together and we'll see what it looks like. First thing we're going to do is figure out how these things work. So we can take this off of here. Now the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to install it right here. This can come up a little higher, so I'm going to go one right there and then one right down there like that, and then I'm going to be able to pull it and then lock the other one in up right there. So right now let's go ahead and let's figure this out. Here's the hardware that came with it. I do have a drill ready to go. Now these would go if you're going to stick it to a wall. Apparently you're going to need a pencil, a screwdriver, a hammer, and a drill. So these are going to be the brackets for right over here. They're going to go like right here like this. You guys see that? So you can take these back off right like that. Very neat. Okay. So right here is the way this is going to go. It's going to go in there like that. It looks like it needs to be about right there. You need to remember that it installs like this and not like that. The peel and stick, and I'm just going to line it up right there like that. Now I'm going to run the screws in it. Check this out. Oh, that's perfect. Now, see, this one's on a slider, so I can install that one right there and then slide that down on it. This is very easy. Okay, so that's on there. That's it. That just slid down on there. Now I took my marker and I marked where I wanted these things at. Because we're on a little bit of a hill, I'm gonna go one on the inside there and then one further in right here, just like that. We'll just hook it on right there and then hook the one on right there, and we are set. We'll put one in it to see how it looks first. Check it out. That's it. It is installed. Wow, that looks great. Little loose right here. I think I could probably go over a little farther, but I'm kind of limited right there. I'm okay with that. That looks good to me, everybody. That's pulled tight. It's on this concrete right here, so I can't go any higher, but that looks fine. I don't see any problems with that. Then when I want to take it off, I just go like that, roll it up. Now I can walk in and out of here just like this. Close it back up. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking to get a mesh style partition gate, whether it's to stop a kid from going upstairs or maybe some dogs coming and going. Right now, this is what I'm going to put here until my other fence gets built, and then I'm all good to go. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the mesh partition gate. See you all in the next video.